Wow! Hello, dear friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to make two types of Easter cupcakes. We're going to make fluffy bunny butts and chocolate egg baskets. Not only do they look so delicious, they're also really tasty. Let's get started. First, let's make the dough for our cupcakes. You'll need 3 eggs and 150 grams of sugar. We'll make both types of Easter cupcakes from the same dough and cream, but use different decorations. Add 10 grams of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything well. Now add 150 grams of soft butter. Half a teaspoon of orange zest will give the dough a citrusy aroma. 250 grams of flour complete the picture. But wait, that's not all. Chop 100 grams of raisins and 50 grams of dried apricots. They need to be poured with boiling water first. These will be our happy little Easter surprises. Then add them to the dough. Spoon this sunny mixture into cupcake tins. You'll make 6 cupcakes. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden and fluffy. Roll the foil into balls. We'll need them to put into the cupcake tins to give the cupcakes their special shape. Now let's bake the next 6 cupcakes. These will be the fluffy bunny butts. We also bake these 6 cupcakes at the same temperature. Of course, if you have a large 12 cupcake tin, you can bake them all at once. While the cupcakes are cooling, let's whip up some fairy cream. Mix 360 grams of butter and 300 grams of condensed milk with sugar. Whip them until light and creamy. That's it! Now you have a silky, sweet cloud of joy to decorate. Grind a white chocolate bar on. Time for some real Easter magic. Let's make some bunny butts. Frost 6 cupcakes and roll them in white chocolate flakes or coconut flakes, anything that looks fluffy. Now take marshmallow and cut it up, 1 piece for the tail and 2 for the feet. Use edible decorations or frosting to add little paw prints. There you have it, the fluffiest bunny booties you've ever seen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more holiday fun, and share it with your favorite sweet-toothed bunny. For the chocolate egg baskets, frost the remaining 6 cupcakes. If you want, you can make a bird's nest. Then top with 3 chocolate eggs. Any kind you like. Now the cupcakes look like little treasure baskets, adorable and delicious. Just look at these sweet creations. Bunny butts and Easter baskets ready to wow your friends, family, and taste buds. You can make these cupcakes ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a few days. Wishing you a joyful, cozy, and chocolatey Easter. Check out more holiday recipes right here on the channel. And until next time, happy baking!